you how to make an interactive worksheet with stickers. So here I have created an assignment called Cosmic Outer Space, where students are going to use these stickers provided to drag in and create a piece of artwork or a poster. So real quick, I'm going to show you how to go about doing that. So here's the example on the student page of what they're going to get. They have 4 options to pick from. They are going to click and drag their stickers in. They are going to resize and position their stickers to create some sort of poster or piece of artwork. So how we get this is we're going to go to create a new activity. First thing you're going to do is name your activity. I am going to do a desert one, so I'm going to name it Hot Desert. Here I would type my instructions, and then I'm going to go down to add template for student response. I am going to click the drawing. Then what I'm going to do is I am going to create a background that will be locked. So go to Google Images and figure out a background. So I said I'm doing desert, so I'm going to type in a picture of a desert. What I suggest doing is change your size to large and any color. Find your image, click on it, drag it to your desktop to save it. I suggest always, whenever looking for a background image, changing this to large so that way you get a higher resolution picture, which will then end up looking better. After you have a background, what you're going to do is go back into your Seesaw. You are going to click and drag that image into your work page. Then move it around, resize it, whatever you need to do. Make sure that you have a little column over here where you are going to put your stickers. After you have your picture where you like it, you're going to click the 3 dots and you are going to lock it. That then makes it so that you cannot move it around. Next, we're going to add our stickers. So if I go back into Google Images and I think of objects, items, animals, whatever might be in a desert picture. So I am going to do a camel. Now, when I type in camel, I get a lot of pictures that have backgrounds. So one thing I can do is I can click and drag and save an image, and then I can go to a website called remove.bg, and you can upload that image and it will automatically turn it from a picture with a background to what's called a transparent image. Or if I want to save a step, I can come up here to color and I can click transparent and it will automatically give me images that do not have a background. So instead they have these little squares, meaning that it is transparent. So I can click and I can save that image, which I've already done. I'm going to do a cactus one real quick. So I can scroll down. I don't like any of these. Let me narrow my search down. Cactus in desert. We'll do this one. So again, I click and I drag it over to save it. Then once I have all of my images for my stickers, then all I'm going to do is same thing. I'm going to click and drag it in. I will resize it so that it is much smaller so that it can go over here in my sticker options. Let's do the camel. What I did when I did my outer space one was I created multiple options. So I had like 10 different astronauts that you could choose from. I might find 10 different animals. I might find 10 different cactuses. So that way, then they have options of what to put. And then I also required a certain number that they had to put in. And so then, if you want to make it even one more step further, you can easily make different backgrounds. So that way, they have a choice of what background they want to use. So let's pretend I have 30 stickers over here. I am going to click these 3 dots over here, and I'm going to click duplicate page. It will then make an exact copy, so I don't have to go through and resize all those stickers. Then I can unlock this photo. I can then delete it, and I can add in, ooh, that's very blurry, but we're going to use it. I can add in a different background picture, and then once I like it, again, I can lock it, and I can end up making 3, 4, 5, 6, how many choices of backgrounds that you would like that they can be required to do or choose from. So, one last thing, if you look at this picture, see how it has these words on it? If you want to remove those words, you don't want them. Instead, when you do a Google search, so let's do desert. If I go up here, and I click usage rights. Nope, just kidding. Yeah, usage rights. I can go to creative license, and then it will only display images that I am allowed to use without having these words on it. So then when I'm done, I would save this. I would then assign it to myself as the sample student. I would complete my example. I would then screenshot it or save it to my computer. So then I can upload it as an example instruction sheet. So that is how you can make an interactive sticker worksheet.